Undocumented migrants held at the Baker County Detention Center in Florida are victims of a systemic and ongoing medical neglect and should be released, says the American Civil Liberties Union in a new administrative complaint against the U.S. Department of Homeland Security and other government agencies. The ACLU's Florida chapter asks for the immediate and permanent termination of the government agreement allowing Baker County to operate as a U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement facility.
Baker continues to employ this medical subcontractor, which is Armor Correctional Health Services. And most troublingly, as ICE continues to contract with Baker as a facility that can detain individuals in ICE custody. We believe that is a gross mistake that needs to be corrected immediately, that this contract needs to be terminated. And Baker has proven over and over again that it is unable to humanely care and responsibly care for those in its charge.
Lawyers for the civil rights group say they have tracked approximately 140 different complaints of medical neglect of individuals at the federal wing of the detention center.
Ms. Gabriel was 56 years old. She had, as Dr. Zaidan mentioned, a number of comorbidities and entered Baker County after being a resident in the United States for over 30 years. She was represented by her immigration counsel and had a case on appeal. Shortly after her detention, due to a mismanagement of her hypertension, she and forgive me for not using the proper medical terminology, but she collapsed and was transported to a local hospital where she had to spend several days to be stabilized. Ms. Gabriel had a number of diagnostic tests done that revealed a need for follow-up. And instead of having this follow-up done, Ms. Gabriel was rushed onto a plane and sent back to Haiti, a country known to have difficulties in obtaining medical treatment.
Dumita Gabriel died shortly after being deported to Haiti.
What do we want? Shut down Baker! When do we want it?
Now! Last February, another organization, Americans for Immigrant Justice, staged a rally calling for the detention center to be shut down.
He was lawfully in the United States, married to me, and we had an infant daughter, 3 months old. He was held in Baker County for 11 days, and on the 11th day, he deceased.
69 civil rights groups have previously filed a complaint against the Department of Homeland Security, alleging abuse, medical neglect, and racial harassment at the Baker County Detention Center. The ACLU also filed another lawsuit for denying detainees access to counsel in December of 2022. The Baker County Sheriff's Department is offering no comment at this time pending litigation and had previously denied any allegations of abuse. Now, the Baker County Detention Center was last inspected by the federal government in May of 2022. Officials found they met all government standards. Nitza, Soledad, Perez, CGTN, Miami.